For today's video, we will show you how to add font in Canva using the web or the app on your mobile device. So let's begin. Now I need you to log into your account. If you're using the mobile device, open the app and log in your credentials. Or if you're in the web, go in canva.com, log in, and say you wanted to create a design or choose a template. Let's create probably a presentation for now. Okay, here, when you are hovered to a new page, to a new design, new blank or empty design, you should be able to see an option for you to add a text here. There's a plethora of designs or styles of text you can choose from. It's a bit loading, guys, so please bear with me. Okay, so here, if you check on the text right here, you can add simply, or you can choose the designs right here. It's still loading, guys. Okay, so here are some of the text designed that you can choose from. Say, for example, this Happy Holidays. If I click on it, it should show here. See that one? You have the option to ungroup. That means you can separate the two styles here, and you can, customize the way you wanted it. Say, make it bigger, make this one smaller. You can even change the fonts colors or the font style, but that's for another topic that we're going to discuss. But that's how you add text or add font in your Canva design. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you all in the next one.